Definitely. So I guess how that plays out is more meaningful projects. So they want to solve bigger, complex problems. We have a cultural issue here in our organization, not just we need leadership training. So they start to value the problem-solving approach and process that is human-centered design, and also bigger budgets. So they don't come with this, oh, we have this much amount of money. They say, Kim, we have this problem. We need to solve it. What's it going to take? So I guess that's the two main things that go, yeah. And I guess another thing is, like, initially we were like the e-learning company that just did click next stuff because I didn't know any better when we started out. And then I started learning all this stuff. And as I started learning it, I'd start to try, I wanted to experiment, right? I'm like, I'm going to add value, because I learned like how companies in the world are using it. You know, that's why Uber is so successful. That's why certain movies work and certain movies don't work. We have evidence in the world from different industries, charities, like schools applying it to the education system. All of these stories in the world then gone are proving that it works if you put the end user at the heart of the solution. So I'm like, okay, cool, we need to start doing that. So I saw the benefits, and I had stories that I had never done it, but I was like, this works out there. We can use the same process for you. Can we try it? And they're like, nah. And then so we would just do a stupid little Band-Aid solution, a reactive training, and we'd pump that out. And then it would fail and it wouldn't get them the business results that they needed. And then they would say, hey, Kim, remember 12 months ago when you were talking about this? Well, we're going to pay attention now, and we want to do the next project this way. And then we'd do that, and then we'd get the feedback from their executives and wanting to do more and having it reach more people and teaching their staff how to do it so that they could do it within in-house. And yeah, so I guess that's a bit of evidence.